let's take for instance, this is Trinity College Dublin, one of the universities that yeah accept postgraduate Ireland postgraduate scholarship. So when you are here, this is the home page. Guess maybe you want to study business, so I'm in the business homepage of the university. So you come here, you go to this is the overall homepage, but you want to go to research area to find your supervisor. Right. So you come here, research, so and read more about your centers of excellence, read more about all this, and then you their expertise. You read all this. So once you finish reading that, you go straight to you find out more about it. This is still about the research center. You read more about that, and then you come down straight to our team. This is where you can find the supervisor under the business school, for instance. So you will filter it depending on this your subject area. This is just an example. So you are here. So the Trinity Center for Digital Business Analytics. Good. So these are the team members, people who could be your potential supervisor. So you check their full profile here. And then once you read about Kathleen, you check if the research interest aligned with yours. And if it does, you email them here. This is email. Then you click that to take you to the email address. So then you come back. Once you email them, they will respond to you. Then there are other universities that you can also look at. For instance, you can look at College Dublin University. You click here, College. Sorry, University College Dublin. University College Dublin. Here is it. Ireland. Come here, you click that, and you accept cookies. And then go straight down to research and innovation. Then get straight down to research. Read more about their research, the latest news here. Yeah, take time to read more about it. So once you are done reading that, you come to people, and then you find who you want. Let's say you want to say School of Medicine. Right. So once you type in that, so these are your potential supervisors in School of Medicine, and this is your research interest, which you can look at it. Research area. You can view more about them. Let's say take this one. Check their collaborative network. And yeah, so once you identify the one that aligns with your research proposal, you can repeat same with other universities like University of Galway, University College Cork, Dublin City University, Maynooth University. So those are the universities that you can repeat the strategy that we did with Trinity Business School and UCD School. I hope that makes sense. Then once you recognize them, you send them an email. Then your email should contain the subject line like prospective MSc or research students, interest in your work. For example, you put the topic, then you open it with your name, qualifications, your interest in studying Ireland postgraduate scholarship. Then why do you choose them? You refer to specifically to one or two of their recent papers or research areas and how your interest aligns. And then you propose your proposal sketch, just sketch about 2 to 3 sentence idea of what you want to research. For example, I am interested in studying blah blah blah. Yeah. And then you attach your CV and maybe politely end it with would you be open to supervising my application under the Ireland Postgraduate Scholarship Scheme? Yeah, you end with that. And hopefully they should get back to you. Correct. So once they get back to you or not yet getting back to you, you can use their name to apply for the Ireland Postgraduate Scholarship. I hope I've been able to help you get this process done. But if you need special help on me guiding you one to one about how to go about the entire writing of the emails, the proposal, applying for the scholarship, the personal statement, get in touch with us on our website. And then also maybe DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to help. Great. Thank you very much. Do not forget that I'm rooting for you. Do not stop rooting for yourself. See you at the top. That's where I belong. The greater you.